Yeah, I'm gonna actually ditch the Inception until you get the code back up.
Nice
I'll just be
avatar.
disembodied. I know, right? Where did I get that? Jeez, I wonder.
Yeah, I'm getting another one made up.
Nice, nice. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Good
Um,
deal.
wow. Okay, the interface on Twitch has changed since I was here last.
Has
It's
it? Oh no.
yeah, Twitchception time.
Jeez. Oh
The live
no.
stream of the live stream.
Oh God.
I've seen people like, and I've done it before, coding. No, reload the player. Coding on Twitch, while you're streaming yourself
Yeah.
coding on Twitch. Here I am
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
streaming myself streaming on Twitch. It's like super meta.
Nice.
It's like
That's very meta.
you're literally just watching a stream of a stream.
Streamer, streamer, streamer. Yeah, that's very meta. That is extreme. Wow.
It is
That's a whole lot.
streaming, but I don't know if there's sound.
I don't know. I can go look. See if I can hear us. If we echo, then yes. If we don't, then no. um,
Streamception.
yes, I'm getting sound.
You are getting sound?
From what I can tell, yes.
Okay. We'll just trust that the sound is actually a thing. And
I'm gonna confirm that again really quick.
okay.
Yes, I can. I hear it. Yeah.
Epic. In that case, I'm gonna bring the code.
Heck yeah.
Here it is.
Good deal. Nice, nice. All right, I'm gonna send a tweet. That's what I'm gonna do.
What a great idea.
Helpful. Beneficial. Yeah.
I might do that too. Let's have a look.
Yeah, we should.
On the Twitters,
What is your Twitter?
twitter.com.
I don't remember your Twitter name. Oh god.
What's
Change
happening?
it.
Tweet, yo. Streaming some live coding with at
Yeah, I'm good.
Rin Oliver. Yo.
Yeah, I'm Kieran underscore. That's me. And then once you have yours, I will send you mine, which is awesome.
Tweeted.
Nice. Good. Nice. Nice.
Okay, how are you going with your tweet?
I am about to be sending it. It's very exciting. I'm about to be streaming. That's why I didn't remember it.
Let's give this a better name. The Camunda Community Hub Probot.
Yeah,
It slices, it dices, it adds labels, it gives conference talks.
It does. Exactly. It doesn't give conference talks just yet, but who knows? Maybe someday it will.
It will. It will.
It will.
Yes.
It will. Yeah. It will absolutely give a conference talk. Yeah, that'll be fun. That'll be fun. Yeah. Sounds like a good time to me anymore.
It's not really Bash.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly.
I might just add my GitHub profile here.
Yeah, definitely.
The GitHub fame. Where is the colon on my keyboard there? That's me. It's a legendary GitHub app.
It is a legendary GitHub app. It's a Probot. It's pretty great. I'm a fan.
So what should we do today?
Gosh. There's a few things. I found this one thing that I'm like, I found it, and I'm gonna make you on Zoom actually. if you can see a Zoom still.
Can I still see
Um,
the zoom?
that's a good question. You
Yes,
actually
I
might have,
can.
maybe.
I'll move it over here off
Cool,
this to
cool.
another screen.
Yeah, there's that. I was
Oh,
wondering if we could do something like that.
like
Mm,
this.
yeah.
The Probot release drafter
I thought that was
drafts your
pretty
next
cool.
release notes as pull requests are
Yeah,
merged into master. Okay.
I thought that was pretty handy.
Hmm.
Because let's face it, nobody likes writing release notes. They're kind of a pain. So that might be an interesting way to make it a little easier for people that hate writing
I'm
release notes.
definitely weird then because I love writing release notes.
You are then, yes, you are indeed.
Yeah, I love it.
I thought it was interesting. I'm like, oh,
Have I got it open here?
seems like it
Window.
might be doable.
File. New window. Check this out. File open recent.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. ZB client Node.js.
Okay.
Have a look at this. What is that?
Love it.
Change log.
Beautiful.
I
Oh,
love
nice.
I love it. It's like each release has like known issues, breaking changes, deprecations, new
Love
features,
that. You wrote that yourself?
fixes. Yeah,
Nice.
every time I
Nice.
push, I add it into those sections.
Smart.
I got
Smart.
it from Red Hat because people were like, "Hey, you just dropped this new release. Like, should I install it?
What's in it?
What is it
Yeah,
going to do?
exactly.
Do I need it? What do I
Yeah.
need to do?" It's
Yeah.
like, who knows? Go back and read the commit log.
Could be anything.
It's like,
Exactly.
how about
Exactly.
you read the commit log and like summarize it? Like,
Yeah.
that's what I'm paying for.
No kidding, right? Yeah. Basically. Basically, yeah. There's also this one that I thought was interesting too. But I don't know
So this thing does
how
it.
much
Like,
more
where
is
did
going
it get the
to
details from?
It gets the
Okay.
details actually, as far as I can tell.
Hmm.
Let me look. I can probably answer that.
Oh, you got to categorize your pull requests with labels. You know, the ZB
Yep.
project uses conventional commit, which is like a
I've heard of that. I've heard of that. Yep. 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 Could do. Could do. That would be standardization.
it would. Let's have a look at this other one that you sent me. Apps pull. Keep your forks up to date with automated PRs.
You know what?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
I thought that was pretty neat too. It's like, hmm, hmm.
That's pretty hardcore. That means you have to deal with merge
It is.
conflicts like as you go.
Ugh, no, yeah, that's like stress. It was just one that I was like, that's interesting. Also sounds stressful, so maybe not. But I thought it was kind of cool.
Well, I mean, this is the point they're making. Dealing with a massive merge conflict at the end is also stressful.
That is true.
They'll just
That
like
is true.
break the stress down into small micro amounts.
Small bits of stress, yeah.
Yeah. Rather
Small,
than one
small pieces
huge
of
amount at
stress.
the end.
Exactly, exactly.
Well, this one's
Yeah.
interesting. The pull request release drafter. So the
I know,
conventional
right?
commits one works on the basis of you have to integrate alien technology, switch to a mono repo, more
Yeah.
cowbell. I love it.
More cowbell. Add more cowbell.
Okay, I'm
Always good.
sold. I don't care about anything
Yep.
else about this idea. Like, I'm sold. The marketing is solid.
It's solid. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, the
Hmm.
conventional commits idea is that you have to use a standardized commit log message, and then it scans through the commit log.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
This is,
That makes sense.
but this is different. This looks like it
Yeah.
works on. Oh, hang on. It's the pull request title.
Yeah, it works on the pull request level.
Yeah, and then you tag them to get them into the sections. What's changed, features,
Mm-hmm.
bug fixes. Like in my one, I have ZB Node client. I've got fixes. No, I got known issues, breaking changes, deprecations,
Mm-hmm.
new features, and then fixes.
Yep. That
Yeah,
makes sense.
that's
Like
the
that's a good
order.
way to break it down. Hmm.
And so they work on labels. Yeah, heck yeah, let's do it. I love it.
Word. Nice, nice, nice.
Okay,
Good
so
deal.
release drafter. The release drafter GitHub app.
Yeah.
Do we need to add this into the Probot though, because it's already like a whole thing?
Good potentially. Good potentially, yeah. Could do. Could do.
The thing about that is that then we're maintaining basically a fork of the
Yeah. Mm,
It's probably
that sounds not ideal.
yeah.
Yeah. It's its own Probot app. Mm, mm, mm.
It's its own thing.
Yeah. Sad panda.
Well, what I could do is I could install it into the ZB Node client
Mm-hmm.
and then install. Click the button, make it happen. Let's see. If I click on Camunda Community Hub, what does it do? Only select
Oh, you
repositories.
can let me see. But
Client node. There it is.
nice. Good
Install.
job. All right, I'm gonna actually probably get a notification on my end. It says, "Hey, somebody wants to do something. Can you approve this?" I have to respond to
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Release drafter was installed.
Nice, nice. Oh,
Uh,
you might not even need me to do that. You might just get because you're the admin, you're an owner, so you might just get to do it.
Okay, and then you got to add a .github release drafter .yaml file.
Yeah, yeah. Sounds okay.
Yeah, I think this is cool. I like it.
That is pretty neat. Yeah,
I'm
finding
a
new
I'm
stuff
a
like that.
fan.
Exciting,
Okay, so
exciting.
create a new branch called release drafter.
Yeah.
Yep. And then I got to add the file in here. Release drafter. And what do I put into the release drafter file? Copy and paste all the things. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, you can use the release draft GitHub action. What? It's got a
Pretty cool,
Probot.
right?
What? It's got a Probot and a GitHub action? Okay.
Apparently.
I think they're a bit confused about the delivery of this thing now. Now I'm confused. Too many options.
I'm confused too. You can use it in a GitHub Actions workflow.
If you're
Huh.
unable to use GitHub Actions, you can use release draft to GitHub app.
Ooh, hello.
Okay, so
This is
actually,
also a study in documentation.
yeah. How do I uninstall this app then?
I know, right? Actually, that's pretty easy. You can suspend install or uninstall right
Here
there.
we go.
Right button.
Uninstall release drafter. This will remove the
Yeah,
app and revoke access to all uninstall. Goodbye.
yeah.
Now take it
Goodbye.
out.
No, no, not good. Not good.
No?
New.
Cancel. Do
I
this
mean,
instead? I don't know. Select
yeah.
nah.
We
Uninstall.
can uninstall. No, no. I meant no, no. As in, it's not good that they have two different versions.
Two different mechanisms, yeah.
Yeah.
So actually all I need to do then is workflows release drafter.yaml. So I put this into the workflows like that. And
Yep.
then release drafter on a push to master. I'm old school. I'm still using master as the main branch. Let's have a look. On push to master, pull request is required only for auto labeler. Update release draft. Optional. Okay, I'm not using GitHub Enterprise. Drafts your next release notes as pull requests are merged into master. Okay, epic. So I wonder how you actually convert that draft into, I don't know, maybe it will convert it. Following a more complicated configuration, categorizes the changes into headings. That's what we want. Automatically suggests the next version number. Wow, very cool.
Very cool indeed. Very cool indeed.
Okay, where does it go though? Okay, GitHub release draft a YAML.
In the configuration.
Okay, so I actually do need to put the GitHub release draft a YAML in here. Release.
Okay.
That's probably real small, this font.
Yeah, that
Drafter.yaml.
is
I'll make it
pretty
bigger.
tiny.
Embiggen.
Yeah.
There's a cool thing about an Electron-based app like this is it's just like a web browser. You just hit Command plus to make it bigger.
That's awesome. I love it. What are you
Uh,
using over there anyway? What do you have going on?
where's that?
What is your IDE? What do you
Oh, it's
just VS Code?
yeah, VS Code
Not so. Not so.
because it's 2021, yo.
Yeah, exactly. It is. It is indeed. Technology, yes, I know, right?
Yeah.
All hail our
Features.
alien overlays.
Feature enhancement, bug fixes, fix, bug, maintenance, chore.
I really need to get like a different Twitch name. This is.
We get
I'm gonna get
a different one.
I'm gonna get an official one. This is like my like random game stream one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Not that I've streamed any games because pandemic, but hey.
Have you played any games?
I'm actually going to play Destiny 2 for the first time in 2 years after work, and I am psyched.
What's Destiny
It's gonna
2?
be so. Oh my god, Josh. One of the best games ever. It's so good. Speaking of aliens, you get to shoot a bunch of aliens. It's great.
Okay,
It's a
I'm into
first-person
it.
shooter. Yeah, it's a first-person shooter. There's aliens. It's co-op. There's PvP. It's great. It's a Bungie game. It's amazing. Yeah, I play it on PlayStation 4. It's wonderful.
Okay.
It was a game of the year at some point. Yeah, Destiny 2. Amazing. Yeah, now we're like here talking about Destiny 2. Yeah,
Free to play.
it's great. Yeah, it's free to play and it's free. It
Really?
doesn't cost
How do they
money.
make money?
They make money from this shop, I believe, and they have like expansions and stuff. Yeah, so that is how they
Okay.
make money. It's good
Reception,
times.
sales, lol. Okay, you
Yeah,
buy the game, but then you play online.
you play online. Yeah, it's one of those deals. It's good though. I like it.
Yeah, okay.
Best PC game in 2017 for good reason.
Old school,
Yeah,
2017.
yeah,
Yeah, the
it's good.
last Aliens kind of game I played was Crisis.
Oh, I've heard of that.
That was really
Okay,
cool.
okay.
It starts off and it's kind
It
of like a
was. It was.
military special operations kind of thing where you go into North Korea and then it like morphs
Right.
into this alien invasion. It was awesome.
Oh, jeez. Nice.
Breaking
Nice.
changes. I don't know how they got these emojis in here.
I'm gonna. I don't know. I have no idea. I like it though. Like I'm a fan. I'm a fan of emojis and everything. Like the more emojis, the better.
Yeah. Deprecations.
Yeah. The way I see it, it's like this could either be terrible or it could work. It's either going to do one of those two things. So I like the idea of a release drafter for maintainers because maintainers already have enough to do. Open source is hard as it is. So if you have a release drafter, it makes it easier to write those release notes without actually having to write release notes. Takes that pain point away, makes life easy.
Yeah,
Or easier,
it doesn't actually write release notes per se.
Per se, it writes them to an extent. You still have to do some lifting, but it's not as big as if you had to write the whole thing from scratch and go look through your commit logs and be like, oh god, what did I actually do?
Yeah.
So,
You got to be a bit disciplined with your pull requests in this case.
mm-hmm,
But
mm-hmm,
if we go into releases in here,
yeah,
hello, come on.
it's trying.
Yeah. I
Making
mean,
an effort. There's 49, so
well,
yeah.
here's like the release, and here's the so-called release note for this. It's just that.
Yeah, exactly. It's just one line. Yeah.
Yeah. For an NPM package though, I don't think anybody really reads this. People just read the README
Right. That makes sense. That makes
because
sense.
where they go to is they go to NPM to find the package.
Uh-huh.
Hello, come on. And
I
then
see.
it
I
just
see. Okay.
puts the README in front of them. So I put the change log right at the top. See
That
changelog.md to see what's changed with each release.
I see. Okay. I have a question for you that's
Yeah.
spurred off of this whole thing. Is, is there an automation for pushing releases to NPM? I found one, but I don't know if it would work in this context.
There
Could you
is,
automate that?
and I have one in. I have actually one in
Do
here,
you? I thought you would.
but it doesn't work.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I found one that might work. I can link you the information. Oh, geez, somebody's talking to me in my house. The joys of a new house. What weird thing is talking to you that you don't know about? My fridge yells at me. My laundry machine scolds me if I leave my laundry in. I don't understand this. I need an adult. Like, it's awful. Half
Really?
of my
It reminds
appliances
me
are
of
like
that
yelling at me.
that Silicon Valley episode with Jin Yang gets the fridge that talks.
Similar concept. I turned on the fridge today and it's like order air filter, order water filter. I'm like, I don't know where to do that. You didn't tell me where to do it. And it's
Really?
like, and now
That's what it
my
said.
robot. Yeah, it says order. I have a picture on Twitter and my Roomba's yelling at me because of something. I don't know. It's behind me just being a robot. And I'm like, what's wrong?
I'd be
We
like,
named it
hey,
after the dog from the Jetsons. We named it Astro.
the fridge is like, look at me. Look at me.
Exactly. Actually, there's a GitHub Actions workflow that automates JavaScript releases, which is interesting. And I'm like, huh.
Yeah, I got this one here,
I don't.
NPM Publish it's called.
This is async API generator is using it, and that's wow. They wrote an entire action for it.
Okay.
I'll link it to you, and I think it might be usable for people using JavaScript because it has the action to publish to npm. It's baked into it. It has a job to do that. Like if you click on that fourth job, it says publish to npm in GitHub, and it does it for you. It has that whole thing there, like somewhere.
It doesn't just yell at you and tell you to do it.
Yeah, use its semantic release. Actually, that's how it does it. But yeah, I linked it to you. It's pretty cool, actually. I don't know if it'll actually work, but it would be a nice thing to offer people that are publishing to EPM, I think.
Okay.
For future dates. I don't know, maybe.
Let me see. Where can I click on the Zoom? Async API generator.
Yeah.
Actions runs.
GitHub Actions workflow, and you can see that publish to npm. That job there is actually where they do that.
So they check out the repo.
Yep.
They set up Node, install the dependencies.
Yeah.
And then release to npm. They run npm release.
Oh, they run npm release.
Okay. So they put the GitHub. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's a good way to do it, I guess.
Seems okay.
Yeah. So this is not even really a GitHub action to do it. This is just a GitHub workflow.
It is a workflow. Yes, it is a workflow.
Okay, so runs on.
It's a work